Gold traded in range and the silver followed. Yes, the US markets were closed yesterday and today again we have half a day working for US markets, and we have already seen a good volatility with the Asia session now. Already gold has breached the critical mark at 2660, and now 2660 is going to be a good resistance zone. So what to expect now today from gold and silver, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, we are going to see with the help of charts, indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis, arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with logic, trade with confidence. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. First, look at the hourly chart. See, it is still under this retracement channel. I have shared this yesterday as well. Hitting the lows, it is again bouncing back. Where are the highs? Towards 2680. And now if it breaks past 2687.88 today, we can consider that as a reversal for the day, for the week, and then beyond this, gold may try to rally further. See, moving averages have started to converge. It's a good sign for the, and it has formed a very good support, very good base at now 2635 level. So that should be the support it need to break in order to turn bearish, and below that 2620. Only and only if these two levels are taken, we can see this as bearish for the day. Yes, the indicators are looking upwards. That's a good sign for the bulls for now. And when you look at the 2 hour chart, see, just draw these parallels here. You will find the highs. You will find the highs now at around 2676.78 first, and then 2684.88 second. So if you see trading beyond 2664 today, we can enter a buy and expect it to rise more. Yes, the indicators are now looking upwards and are suggestive of further bullishness here. See, on the 3 hour charts also similar observation here. See, moving averages which are trading with divergence and bearishness now have started to converge, against appearing to be suggestive of further bullishness. But I will say the bullishness which appears for now can get completely reversed as long as now 2664 is not taken. Beyond this 2664.65, once it breaks, then only we should expect further bullishness. Now why 2664? You can remember yesterday I have mentioned 2658.60 the first and very critical resistance, and then 2664. So these two levels you should be careful. Beyond this, ideally I will be looking forward to 76.78 or in fact 84.88 levels as well. So this is something you should watch out. See, the stochastic is starting to rise. MACD under retracement, it is looking forward to an up move here. The RSI is running flat here on the 3 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, similar observation, nothing more, nothing less. See, trading in this retracement channel. Now see, it has to break beyond this zone in order to confirm a reversal here. Now the levels here same, 84.88, which should be a greater resistance, only beyond which you should treat this as bullish. Now what is happening? Drop retracement, so it is possibly moving towards the highs here. So yes, 2676.78 you should watch out for, and a buying entry is now only about 2664. That is very, very clear here. Now see, this is the first greener candle after a bit of consolidation, and yes, it has formed a very good base at 2635. So in fact, even if you see it now trading below 2640, you can take a sell entry there itself. Expect 2635 to provide a very good support, and below that 2630. If these two levels are taken, stay short. We can in fact see gold at 2625 and 2620. So till 2620 and 18 levels, it has got extremely crucial support levels. And at any point of time, if you see it trading below 2620, you can say now gold has turned bearish, and you can just stay with the shorts here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is rising, divergent and bullish, the RSI is rising. Good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the daily. Now see, the daily chart says first bullish candle, couple of consolidation candles, and then it is trying to give a breakout. But I will say you have to watch out still. I'll not treat this as a breakout. See, if you connect this, you can find out it might stay within this channel here. And the lows of the channel now at around 2630, 2625 levels. So as long as now it respects 2630, and in fact 2620 also included here, only below which you can treat gold as bearish here. Also notice one bullish candles, couple of consolidation, one breakout. So possibly this candle might remain bullish in and might remain in green, and there is a possibility that it may in fact move towards 2680 levels here. Be mindful of this. Stochastic rising. See, MACD, I have shared this earlier as well, and I have shared several times. See, it has crossed over at the bottom, and now it is still in green despite a bit of convergence. It is still bouncing back, and see the candle size is starting to increase, which suggests further bullishness in gold prices. RSI looking upwards. So before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this very simple buy at 26.64, 65 levels, expect 26.70, 71 first, 76, 78 second, and then 84, 88 third. If these three levels are taken, if three zones are breached, just close your eyes, stay bullish. You can again see gold trading above 2700 levels. I do not expect such a strong bullishness at least. Yes, it might remain in green, but it might remain a range bound bullish here. Yes, do not expect it to break beyond 2688 levels, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible here, and this is something you should watch out for. On the downside, I will recommend you to ideally sell only 2654 levels, but if you're selling at 2654, be a little careful. First 2640, 850, second 2644, 45, third 2638, 40. So you can say that till 2620, every 40-50 points there are support here for gold, and the strongest one is going to be at around 2630 and 2635 levels today. Only and only if gold breaches below this, and then also till 2620 levels, till 2618-20 levels, you should be extremely careful here with the selling entries today. Possibly the move is going to remain in green. The movement here is going to remain bullish. Even if it drops, there could be a recovery, but I'll say these are markets, just respect the levels. If you see trading below 2654, take a selling entry, but be cautious. At least till 2620 levels, just trail with 50 points. Every 50 points you can book, and then accordingly you can take a trade. Now let's move to silver. See, silver here after consolidation and a sideways move trying to break out. Now we have seen 2670 levels are being a greater resistance since long now, since last 2 to 3 sessions, and then 2685. So yes, you can say take a buying entry if you see the lower price about 2670 expected to move upwards. What's happening here? Moving averages have started to converge and cross over. Good sign for the bulls. Rise retracement 3020 levels, sorry, 3070, I am saying 3070. If it breaks, then 3085 and 31 should be there. Now see, it has formed a very good support at 3020 and then 3040. This is the zone it need to break in order to turn bearish. Very, very clear. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Good sign for the bulls here. On the 2-hour charts, similar observation, a V-shaped recovery here. See, the drop yesterday towards the double bottom levels has proven out or strengthen the bottom here, strengthen the lows, strengthen the levels at 2960, and see what a greater recovery we have seen now here. And now it is waiting for it to break beyond 3070 levels and then 3085 levels. If these two levels are taken, 31, 2025 and 3150 should appear. I have shared several times that I can see a movement in the box here, and this box is very, very critical. 2950 to 3150 levels. This is something you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, divergent bullish, RSI rising here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See, a very strong support is now formed at 3020, which I do not see it breaking soon, but also it has to break the wall out here, that is at 3070 and 3085. Beyond this, certainly you can stay bullish here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here, RSI is rising. Signs are supportive for the bulls. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Now it is trading above the 20 and 50 period moving average. Good sign for the bulls. It is breaching this bearish channel and now looking upwards. If it breaks 3150, sky is the limit on the upside. The stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. RSI is rising. Coming to the day. Now see, for last 2 to 3 trading sessions, double top is seen at 3070, and now after hitting the lows, it is recovering. It has closed out some of the buying trades here. It has forced the traders to enter into sell, and now has recovered and now breaking out here. Till 31 greater resistance, in fact 31 2025 and 31 40 50. So I will say till 3150 you have to be careful here with the buys here. Beyond 3150, sky is the limit. 32 3250 and 33 can be seen. These are markets, anything and everything is possible here. Right now I can say we have to, or silver has to break beyond the critical resistance at 30 70 85 31, and then I will say 31 20 25 31 50. These are the five levels. One by one it has to kill this level in order to turn bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit a bottom here, trying to cross over. This can lead to reversal. The RSI is rising as well. Looking at this very buy at 3070. When you see the lower prices above 3070, the levels, beyond 3150, sky is the limit. 3250 should be there, if not today, some point of time in the coming week. On the downside, take a selling entry where 3040 itself you can take a selling entry. When you see the higher prices below 3040, take a sell. 3020 is the milestone for the day. It needs to break. Only below 3020, we can say that the bears are back and you can look forward to a massive move. Specifically below 30, it is not going to come back. Below 30, stay short for 29.75.70 and then 29.50.40 levels. Greater support zone here. Take your trades accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.